Hello, everyone. Welcome to a very delicious episode of the Slow Talk podcast. I am Amelia.
And I am Ethan. And today, Amelia, I am starving. My stomach is making noises. I am ready to eat a three-course meal right now.
Starving. That is a great B1 word, Ethan. It means you are extremely hungry. But before you eat that giant burger, do you know how to ask for it?
Of course, I just walk into the restaurant, find a waiter, and say, "Hey, burger, now!" And maybe some fries.
Oh, Ethan, stop, please. That is so rude. In English culture and in many cultures, being polite is more important than the food itself.
More important than food? But Amelia, if I am too polite, maybe the waiter would think I am not hungry.
No, Ethan. If you are polite, the waiter will be happier to help you. Today we're learning polite requests. Words like I would like, could I have, and the most important word, please. But before we go to the restaurant, let's ask our friends at home. Friends, imagine you are in a beautiful restaurant in London. The waiter comes to your table. What is the first thing you say? Do you say hello, or do you immediately ask for water?
Yes, tell us in the comments. Write the first sentence you say to a waiter. I want to see if you are more polite than me.
I am sure they are, Ethan. Also, what is your favorite food to order? Is it pizza, sushi, or a big steak? Write it down. We're reading all your comments.
Reading about pizza is making me even hungrier, Amelia. Can we start the lesson?
Okay. But first, Ethan, I want to tell you a secret. Did you know there are 3 words that can change everything?
I love burgers?
No, the words are I would like. Many students say I want, but I want sounds like a little child. I would like sounds like a professional, polite adult.
Oh, I would like. It feels it feels smoother, like butter.
Exactly. And there is something even better. Could I have?
Could I have? Okay, I'm writing this down. But Amelia, what happens if the waiter brings me the wrong food? If I ordered a burger, but he brings me a salad? A green, healthy salad?
That is a great question, and that is exactly what we will discuss in the next part, how to complain politely.
Complain politely? That sounds impossible.
It's not. Stay with us because in the deep dive, we are going to a virtual restaurant. Ethan will be the customer, and I will be the waiter.
Oh, I am going to be the best customer ever. I'm going to be so polite you will cry, Amelia.
We will see, Ethan. We will see. Don't go anywhere, friends. The menu is coming. Welcome back. Now let's practice. I am the waiter in a beautiful London cafe, and Ethan, you are the hungry customer. Are you ready?
I am ready, Amelia. I have my polite face on.
Okay, let's start. Good evening, sir. Welcome to the Slow Talk Cafe. Are you ready to order?
Yes. Good evening. I want... Oh, wait. No. I would like a double cheeseburger, please.
Excellent. I would like. That is perfect. And would you like anything to drink with that?
Could I have a large orange juice, please, with no ice? I don't like cold teeth.
Good use. Could I have? Very good, Ethan. Friends, did you hear that? Could I have is a question. I would like is a statement. Both are very polite. Use them every time. Okay, your burger and juice are coming. But, Ethan, imagine you see a delicious chocolate cake on the menu. You want to change your order. What do you say?
Oh, this is difficult. Do I say, stop, I want cake?
No. Try to use may I?
May I change my order, please?
Perfect! May I is very formal and very polite. It's the gold medal of English. Friends, let's practice in the comments. Imagine you are at a cafe. You ordered tea, but now you want coffee. How do you ask the waiter to change your order? Write your polite sentence below.
Yes, show me your gold medal sentences. I'm watching you.
Okay, Ethan, now the difficult part. I am the waiter, and I bring you a salad. But you ordered a burger. What do you do?
A salad? No, I am so sad. Do I cry?
No, Ethan. You must complain, but stay polite. Use this phrase. I'm sorry, but...
I'm sorry, but I ordered a burger, and this is a salad.
Exactly. And then ask, could you check this, please?
I'm sorry, but I think there is a mistake. Could you check this, please? Wow, Amelia, I sound like a British gentleman.
You really do. Remember, if you are polite, the waiter will fix the mistake faster than if you are angry. And the last thing, Ethan, you finished your burger and your cake. You want to pay. What is the phrase?
How much money?
No, Ethan. Try, could we have the bill, please? Or in America, could I have the check, please?
Could I have the bill, please? Okay. And can I pay with my credit card?
Yes, you can say, do you take cards?
Do you take cards? Perfect. I am ready to go to London. I am ready to eat everything.
I think London is not ready for you, Ethan. But you learned a lot today. I would like, could I have, may I, and I'm sorry, but...
My brain is full, but my stomach is still empty.
Don't worry, the quiz is coming next. If you get 3 points, I will buy you a real burger.
A real burger? Friends, help me. I need that burger. Stay with us for the quiz.
Welcome to the final round. Ethan, the burger is waiting for you. But first, you and our friends at home must pass the polite request quiz.
My stomach is ready. My brain is ready. Friends, please help me in the comments. If I win, we all win. Mentally.
Okay, Ethan, here is how it works. I will give you a rude or wrong sentence. You must make it polite. Are you ready?
Ready. Go.
Question number 1. Imagine you are thirsty. You see the waiter. You say, "Hey, give me some water."
Oh, no. That is bad, Ethan. The good Ethan says, could I have some water, please?
Correct! 1 point. Question number 2. This is a bit harder. You want to see the menu, but the waiter is busy. You don't want to be a problem. How do you ask?
Excuse me, may I see the menu, please?
Exactly. May I? 2 points. Question number 3. This is for you, our listeners. A. Take my card. B. Do you take credit cards? Or C. I would like to pay with my card, please.
Oh, this is a double question. B and C are both good, right, Amelia?
Yes, Ethan. Both are correct and polite. Friends, write your choice in the comments. B or C, or maybe you have a different sentence. Tell us. Okay, Ethan. Bonus round for the burger. You are eating your soup, but the soup is cold. You want a hot soup. What do you say to the waiter?
I'm sorry, but this soup is not as hot as I like. Could you heat it up, please?
Wow, Ethan, you used a comparison from our last episode, not as hot as. I am so proud of you.
I am a professional now, Amelia. I am ready for the Ritz Hotel.
Yes, you are. You passed the quiz. You get your burger.
Yes! Friends, thank you for your help. I couldn't do it without you.
You see, everyone? Speaking English is not just about words. It is about how you say them. Being polite makes your life easier and your travels better.
True. And remember, I would like, could I have, and always, please.
Thank you for listening to this episode of the Slow Talk podcast. We hope you feel more confident for your next restaurant visit.
Yes, don't forget to like this video and subscribe. We want to reach more English learners like you.
Goodbye for now. See you in the next episode.
Bye-bye. I'm going to eat my burger now. Waiter, could I have some extra napkins, please?